So we will not give that much priority to fresh and unfresh level. Okay, why? We will understand today's session. So our storyline will be divided into two sessions. One session will be based on only support and resistance way, which we called SNR way. Okay.
Okay.
Second one will be based on the engulfing process. So we will combine both of the direction way at the same time. Then it will be bigger help for us so that we can pinpointly identify which direction we are going. Okay. So
Okay.
before that, let's, as we know which is fresh and which is not fresh. So our storyline will be started. Before that, I'm going to show you something, which is, people sell it at different packages by different name, but this thing is same thing. Okay, like
Okay.
the very basic way we learn how to identify as a direction, right? We are in a buy trend or sell trend. This is a very basic thing. Whenever we start learning trading, like we have a high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, and low, right, brother? So
Yeah.
this is a very basic concept. Market is every time breaking the higher high, and we are calling it, okay, we are moving to the buy direction, right?
Yeah.
So
Flip.
whenever this thing happen, like if this low broken, we said, okay, our this low is broken, so we are moving toward to the downtrend, right? So
Oh,
this is the very basic way to identify the direction. Secondly, people are use also smart money concept, right? In smart
yes.
money concept, they call it, like we call it an A shape. They call, when the A shape is broken, they call it a break of structure or boss. Okay,
Boss. Yes.
and again break of structure, break of structure, break of structure. So which is clearly indicating us that we are moving toward to the buy direction, right?
Yes.
Whenever this break of structure happen, at the same time this low is broken in a regular directional way, we call this low is broken, right? And the SNR concept, they call it this character of change happen, and now we are going to look for the
Yeah.
sale only. Okay, so both of the things are same. Now what we will see our SNR concept. Okay, basically
Okay.
this is also same, a little different, but also fully same. Now how we are going to identify? Just remember these two patterns that we have just seen, huh? So for identifying the SNR concept, we will look for this. TF will reject TF fresh level, okay? Fresh level. Got it, Bhair?
Okay. Okay.
So that means time frame will reject time frame fresh level. Now the question is which time frame we are using here? We are using weekly time frame, right?
Yeah.
Weekly time
Weekly.
frame. So if you, when we says the level, I only follow the A level or V level, like this A level or this V level, or this A level, this V level. I do not go for this kind of gap level. Okay? Why?
Oh.
In a real market where it is very hard to determine which gap level is going to hold or not. It is very easy. I can say look at this where you see that gap level, this gap level, it is reacting on that particular gap level. It is reacting on that particular gap level. It is easy when you see the market what happened. Okay,
Okay.
but in, in real market it is very hard. But how still we are going to use this kind of gap as a null level? We will see it in the engulfing process. Okay, this is very solid and straight cut process. How to identify which gap level is going to work or which gap level is not going to work. Okay, now when we
Okay.
talked about the SNR, we call A level, so which is a red and green candle is an A level. Green and red candle is an A level, and red and green candle as a V level, right?
Right.
Secondly, this is something open and close area. We call it a open close or OC SNR or gap SNR, right?
Yep. Yes.
Few people use different concept also. They call it a decision level or decision making area. Okay, something like that. DL level, decisional level. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So as also we are going to use this kind of particular or this kind of particular gap area once we see our second part of the direction with the engulfing process. Okay. Now
Okay.
when I say TF will reject the TF fresh level, that means I'm saying when we are talking about level, this level is either A level or V level, no gap level. Okay?
Oh,
No
yeah.
gap level. Now, what time frame we are using currently is weekly, right?
Weekly.
Weekly. So what we will see weekly. So if you write it down for the understanding purpose, weekly will reject weekly fresh level. Is it
Okay. Okay.
clear? Now,
Yes.
the two thing is done. One, we identified our time frame, which is weekly. Secondly, we need to identify which one is the fresh area now. Okay. So if you look at here, we see this V level is fresh, and this we have another V level which is not fresh because of this candle is already touched, right? And
Okay.
another A level we have in here which is very fresh yet. Okay? Which is very fresh yet. So we have identified two fresh level. One is this area, another is this area. Clear?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Now, what we say, it will reject fresh level. So what we want to see this particular, as this market is nearest to this A level, we expect this should be rejected. Is it?
Yes, Bhaiya.
So now if you see what happened, let me do it a little bit faster. We see this particular A level is rejected by this weekly candle. Okay? So our first rules is done. TF will reject TF fresh level, which is happened here. Weekly rejected, weekly fresh level here. Clear?
Okay.
Whenever we see a rejection, we will do one thing. We always will mark for now, right? As we are practicing, in this particular practice session, what we will do, we will mark the rejection candle, which is this one, right?
Yes.
This is the rejection candle. We will mark a vertical line on that rejection candle. Clear?
Clear.
Now, let's do some more practical thing. So, let's say this is a area. This is a area. Okay? And we are in a weekly time frame. So, what we see, we have a level here, which is fresh, and another A V level here, which is fresh, right? And then we see market goes to there, and then this is the area where we have that particular rejection candle. Clear? What we also did, we mark a vertical line on that rejection candle. Okay?
Okay, Bhaiya.
This is what we have done in here, which is our line chart scenario in here. Okay? Now,
Yes.
whenever we have seen the rejection candle on the weekly or the time frame we are following, we will always go one time frame lower. Okay? One time frame lower. Now, let's say this is the, what will be the one time frame lower now?
Daily.
Daily. Now, remember, we mark this candle on what time frame?
Yeah, we mark it weekly.
Weekly time frame. Every weekly candle contain how many daily candle? 5.
5.
5. So when you mark that vertical line on that weekly candle, basically it will be automatically marked on a daily basis on Monday. Is it?
Yes.
So the rejection could be happen on Monday to Friday, like any of those between 5 days. It could be Tuesday or Thursday or Wednesday or the Friday, right?
Okay.
So what we will do, we will adjust the day candle when the rejection happen. Clear?
Okay.
I will show you in the practical chart. Okay.
Practical chart. Yeah.
So look at this. We have this daily. So definitely, as daily candle has 5 candle on a weekly basis, right? So we will have a lot of ups and down, which will give us a level or V level. Is it?
Yeah, okay.
So this is the daily rejection where we have it. So after the rejection, now if you look at this one here, what is the direction for us here? Bullish or bearish? Bullish.
Until rejection, it's bullish.
Yes, we are bullish, right? So if you see, after the rejection, we may have few A level or V level, right?
Okay.
So whenever you have this, the vertical line, every A level or V level is created after this vertical line, we call them as a internal movement. Okay? Internal
Yes.
movement.
Internal movement.
Whatever A level, V level we have before the vertical line, we call them external.
External.
Okay. So this vertical line initially will give you the basic understanding to see which one is external, which one is internal. Why? We only care the external V level, like this one, like this one. Okay. So
Okay.
when you find out the rejection candle, our job is the external V level breakout need to be done. Once this V level is broken with a body of a candle, we call our direction, okay, our bearish direction started. Got it, Pat?
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Right. Now, what we will do, look, what we said here, we see a time frame rejected, fresh level of the time frame. So we see this is the candle of a weekly, and this is the candle which is the area where rejection happened, right? Where we will go? We will go to daily to look for what? To look for the rejection. Remember what I said? This is a weekly markup, right? That means in daily, this will be on the Monday. So this is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the week completed. Yeah?
Okay. Okay.
Now, if you see, this is the candle where, this is the red candle, remember, this is the red candle, okay? This is the candle, we mark that line in a weekly, but this candle started from Monday. And if you see, the Monday is not the actual candle where the rejection happened. The rejection actually happened on the Thursday. See it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, we will adjust the day based on the rejection candle. So, this is what I said. Now, we are adjusting it, the line where the candle touched. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Now, as we are in a one time frame lower, what I said we will mark a vertical V level, or as the rejection happened on the upper area rejection we look for V level, lower area rejection we look for A level. Clear?
Clear. Clear.
So until this V level is not broken with the body, we are still bullish. Doesn't matter how many V level is broken here. We only concern about this V level, as this V level is related to this vertical line.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Right? Now, look at this, then what happened actually. This is the rejection happened, not any single breakout.
Yes.
That means we are still remaining very much bullish.
Bullish.
Clear? Understood?
Okay.
Now the same process you can follow on the daily. Like how? Look at the process. This is a fresh level, right? This is a fresh level. Fresh level rejected on a time frame, so daily rejected, daily fresh level. Is it?
Above there, the top, there is a small candle, red candle.
Which
it
one?
will not be this.
This one.
Yes, this one.
This one. Yes,
Yeah.
this one is not why I am not counting it, because if you go to the daily, weekly, if you see here, in the daily purpose, this is the where rejection happened, is it? And
Yes.
then after that, this is whatever A level, B level is creating. It is external, not external for us. We need to focus on this one. Doesn't matter what is happening on there.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Right, we are looking for our weekly direction. Clear?
Yeah. Clear.
And that's what we see, this candle rejected on here on a daily basis. The same process you can follow here and again and again and again. Look at this.
After the rejection, it can go up. There is also no issue, right?
No issue. And these are the questions which will be solved very clearly in the engulfing session. Okay.
Okay.
But this is a very pretty straightforward, and this is the easiest way. I tried to complex way to teach. This is the easiest way, I think.
Yeah.
So the daily reject, also the daily, this is the rejection candle. We go to one time frame below. So this is the actual rejection. If you look here, this is the actual rejection candle, right? And the recent A level is here. This A level is broken here, and we see all-time high after that. See it?
Oh, yes.
The market came down, but this level is not broke. You see, but same process. If you can literally go to the Friday market, you will understand now what is our storyline very clearly. Clear? It will give
Clear.
you a very, though our weekly is very bullish, very much bullish. Like if you want to identify the weekly storyline now in the market, this is a weekly A level, is it? And
Yes.
we have a weekly V level also, very nearest one is here.
Brilliant. Yeah.
So what we see in the next candle actually, weekly rejected weekly. So what we're going to do, we are going to mark that as a vertical line and we go to
Okay.
daily. So where is the rejection? Basically this is the candle where the rejection happened, is it?
Yes.
And this is the recent V shape after the rejection. So if you see it, there is like if you remove the replay also, this is the rejection happened on the daily level. So our storyline of a weekly is still very much bullish, very much.
Okay.
Got it? But
Okay.
now if you want to see then how we can measure our daily now, does it mean that we are going to look for daily, weekly? No, we do not. We will leave it to what we do. If you are following the pattern we follow, we buy, we sell, we buy, we sell in everywhere. If you have our combination of all the SOPs, right? All the
Yes.
SOPs. So this is the easiest way. Like if you see now, like we have a level here, V level here, and this is the rejection candle what happened on a daily basis, is it? Daily basis.
Hmm.
At the same time, this is the recent market. But if you want to do the Friday market, let's come to the Friday market, then we will understand. Look at this. This is the A level. Or is it Prada? This is the A level.
This is
What
11.
happened on that A level? We see in the next candle, very next candle, the rejection happened. This is the daily reject daily. We mark as a vertical line. Then
Okay.
we go to H4. Just a minute. We go to H4. In the H4, where is the rejection actually? This is the rejection. You see, this is the rejection. Is it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
let me do it here. You will understand. Like daily reject daily. Okay, I'm going to put it again. Daily reject daily. Every daily candle contains six 4-hour candle. Is it? So let's
Yes.
go to H4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candle. But as it is the starting 4-hour, but actually the fifth 4-hour is the rejection where happened. So now what I say? We look for the V level. So this is the V level. Is it? This is the V level. So what happened then? This V level when break out with the body, this V level when break out with the body, we can say our daily storyline started as a bearish. Clear? What is the
Okay.
next fresh level? Which one is the next fresh level? We can easily track. This is the next fresh level. We can see market
Yeah.
go to that fresh level very easily. Is it? Then
Yes. Yes.
this is something. Then remaining are like if you go to the line chart, I send you a QM. This is a one. This is a QM, right? This is a
Yes.
QM, and
Yes.
other SOPs formula, the easy and the movement and the super gap or the flip setup. Everything you combined, you can literally say this particular area will be a very nicest area to enter. Okay, this particular area is a very nice area to enter actually. And then what you see, market move to that particular area because we have some SOPs there, right? SOPs
Okay.
on here, and this is what happened to till the NAP. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and the same process, every time it is following the same, every time it is following the same and same and same. Okay, now it is the H4. This is the this is the fresh level, right? It was, and then this thing,
Then it's
this is the
unfinished.
rejection happen as our weekly is very much bullish yet. So where is the rejection? This is the rejection. The problem is if you measure this is an as a level, you may see the movement is almost 270 pips. If you want, you can break it a little bit lower time frame. But in this scenario, the A level is still remain the same A level, is it?
Yeah.
So until this is not broken, we are expecting. We will see eventually. I am seeing very soon. This is the level. I thought it will going to happen in the NFP. It did not. This is the level we are going to reach very soon. Very soon.
To revive 50.
Very soon. There is someone in our superhero. His few friend work with Barclays. They are in gold long position till 2560.
Wow.
Okay. We have few people in like inside people. So
Okay.
this is to me doesn't matter 60 or not, but 250 to 45 is inevitable,
Yeah.
right, brother? So
Yes.
now remember the one more fun thing, which is high high low low 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 broken. This is a traditional directional concept, is it?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
uh, boss break boss boss boss
Okay.
and boss and then COCH, and then this is the smart money concept.
The
Okay.
smart money concept. Yeah.
And if you look at this here, A level, breakout, A level, breakout, A level, breakout. That means this is the rejection vertical line that I said to draw you, right, brother?
Okay. Yeah.
Something happened on here with the previous line where maybe, though it is a level, B level, maybe we have something like an A level where
Yeah.
there, and the rejection happened there, and this external breakout happened. Now we are calling ourselves as a cell movement. Is it?
Yeah. Here we will go to the one time frame lower, right?
Right, always, always, always.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
almost if you look, all of the same thing is same thing. People are selling it on different
Even
packages.
with the package name. Smart
Remaining,
money
but this
concept.
is not our specialties. Our specialties is the engulfing process. Every single candle will give you way more earlier information what we are doing. We are shifting to the direction of what area. So this is what we will learn in the next session. This is the particular session where we are learning only SNR way. With this particular session, do you have any more question?
So far, no. I have a little bit because I'll see the recording.
Huh?
Then, you know, uh, whatever I learned before that, okay, where the rejection happened,
Huh?
reaction happen that if it is go up upper than that level, that means we have to go for second level, maybe upper level.
Right.
But
Right.
here I'm seeing that a reaction happen, but that is the level. Upper level or lower level we don't care. We'll see that whether it's breaking down the any a level B level
Huh?
down below.
Huh? Huh? Right. Right. Perfectly. Perfectly said.
Okay, okay,
Perfectly said. Clear?
okay,
So
clear.
this is what we call as SNR way of storyline. I will send you the recording. Okay. So
Okay, okay,
this is what. If you don't have any question, we are going to wrap this session in here. And
okay,
whenever
okay,
you are free in the next, just ping me as you did today. We'll sort a time.
okay.
Okay. We will sort
Okay,
a
bhai.
time.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
brother.
Someone
Have
good.
a great day, and
Okay.
and bye bye, brother.
Bye bye.
Assalamu alaikum.